Independent, lazy, selfish, spoiled, know-it-all, want-it-all. You know what I'm talking about, right?
My son.
Who has seen me doing a keynote before? Well, they don't let you out really often. Like Leanne told you, I'm an international speaker. Spoken in Marrakesh, Riviera Maya, Maniwaki. 3 things Gen Z never heard. Hang up, I need the internet. Remember to rewind the tape before bringing it back to the video store. Come play outside. And 97% of Gen Z told me that it's more important to respect the values of the individuals than having shared values. Diversity, equity, inclusion. So as a manager or as an employer, we need to try to adapt the reality or manage the expectations of the employee. So that's why it's interesting to know what people expect from a satisfying job. So we don't work for somebody, we work with somebody. We don't work for a company, we work for a purpose. We respect competencies, not job titles. But face-to-face doesn't mean like, have you done what I've asked? If not, when is it gonna be done? You know, face-to-face changed. It's now like, how are we gonna do differently next time? Feel free to ask me any questions. Preferred feedback. Differences again. So Gen Z, do you think they prefer informal or formal? Just point the direction you think they want the preferred feedback. Yes, you are right. And the farther it moved, the higher percentage the answers we got. And occasional or frequent feedback. And you're all pointing there, right? Okay, pay attention. Pay attention. We are under the impression that they always want feedback. They need to be reassured, of course, but giving too much feedback drives down the purpose of it. You know, too much, it's less significant. When it's more occasional, you get also more time to prepare for it. Like it's more structured feedback. It has more impact actually than always giving frequent feedback for everything. Of course, King Charles, but you could also have said Ozzy Osbourne. He also fits that description. So yes, differences are more individual than generational. In a perfect world, we would know all the expectations of our employees, but we don't always have the time. So we can rely on big trends like this one, but we don't want to put everybody in the same basket because differences are more individual than generational. And if we limit ourselves to generalizations, we might miss what's really important for people.
Either in small group workshops or during keynotes in front of large audience, I love to interact with people in the room. I think involving participants in a discussion make them feel being part of the learning experience. I know that choosing the right speaker can be challenging, so as a certified speaking professional, my job is to make sure that your participants are having fun while they're learning.
Help me welcome international speaker, commitment generator, and taxi driver for 3 teenagers, STEPHANE SIMARD CSP.